Welcome to my channel. Here I share walking tours from around the world so you can enjoy the sights and atmosphere wherever you are. I travel for you, so sit back, relax, and let's begin. And if you'd like to join me on more journeys, don't forget to subscribe. We're walking up to Tower Bridge, one of London's most famous sights. The two towers ahead rise above the Thames, with their blue and white steel framework stretching across the river. Stepping onto the bridge now, you can feel the hum of the city around you. Cars and buses roll past, cyclists weave by, and people from all over the world stop for photos. As we continue straight through, you can see the details of the stone towers rising above. The rhythm of footsteps, the movement of the city, and the river flowing beneath remind you this bridge is alive with daily life. As we pass through the first arch, the stonework rises high above us, solid and detailed, each line and curve showing off the craftsmanship of another era. The facade is decorated with carved patterns and strong edges, a style that feels both grand and practical at the same time. You can almost imagine the hands that built it more than a century ago when this bridge was first taking shape. Looking to the right, the river stretches out beneath, wide and calm, with boats moving slowly along the water. The view opens up to the skyline, a mix of historic buildings and modern glass rising in the distance. The bridge itself is a combination of stone and steel, built in the late 19th century. What makes it unique is the way it can still open up for tall ships. The two bascles lifting like giant arms to let vessels pass through. Even today, that mechanism is in use, keeping the bridge both functional and iconic. As we walk closer to the far side, the atmosphere changes a little. Crowds begin to gather near the tower entrance, where visitors line up for tickets to go inside. Some are excited to step onto the high-level walkways, others curious to see the old engine rooms that once powered the bridge. The flow of people creates a lively mix. Tourists pausing for photos, families waiting together, and guides pointing out directions. Even while traffic moves steadily across the roadway, here on the walkway it feels almost like a meeting point, where everyone slows down before choosing their path.